Yosemite National Park is a natural paradise. This magnificent park is world famous for its majestic granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls, massive redwood trees, and diverse wildlife. Unique granite cliffs such as Capitan and Half Dome are symbols of the park.
While these huge rocks attract the attention of climbers, they have also become a favorite of photographers. Yosemite is home to majestic waterfalls.
These magnificent waterfalls reflect the power and beauty of nature at its best.
Giant sequoia trees in the park have grown over centuries and reach into the sky.
For nature lovers, climbers, photographers, and those looking
for a quiet nature getaway, Yosemite offers an unforgettable experience with
its unique beauty and peaceful atmosphere.